Okay, so today let's see example of different DAGs. Okay, so I think the last time okay, so you have to run a one PySpark code. So mm, this is my Spark job code. Okay, this is my Spark job code. Okay, which is having the connection to my local host MySQL DB. And password. Okay, so this code is basically having a MySQL connection and getting the data from the MySQL. It's an incremental load, right? It's an incremental load. And we have a separately one file. We are reading the file and reading the timestamp from the file. And that file, okay, this is my location. I kept it file here or not, I check. So, okay, this file is not here. So I set it some location for this file. This is my server and scheduler is running. Okay, so here I need a DAG file. Okay, so I have to create a one DAG file here. So DAG file, I have to copy the DAG file. So DAG file is Okay, so this is my DAG file. Two files are there. One is a DAG file. Okay, and another one is our Spark job. So Spark job, like I have to set the path of the Spark job. So where I'm just keeping it my this Spark code. So I will keep it this Spark code in some location. And then I'm using with this bash operator to trigger this job through Airflow. Okay, every 5 minutes. So it will be triggered there. Okay. So whatever location I'm using this, it should be the path of my incremental job, the Spark. Okay. So I can define this py file. So I have to keep it the same job name. Why? So which code I will copy here? I will copy this code. And in this code, I have to change for this file. Okay, so this file also I keep it here in the same location, the workspace location. So I will keep it the file in this, because this is the file where my last modified date will be saved. Okay, so I will save this code. I will create new file here. Okay, so and one date time file I have to create. So this date time file name is last modified time txt. So date time format, what is the date time format? So this format. So I'm giving a older date. So initial date can be anything, right? Because whatever our job will run, it will be higher than this date. Okay. So this is a pretty old date. Okay. So we have just kept it any date, old date, right? We can keep it and we save this. Okay. So now we have two things. One is my this last modified txt and one is the Spark job. And DAG folder I will create. So I will stop my server and scheduler. Now I will be creating a DAG file. Okay. So this is my DAG file. So I keep it any name. And this is also Python file because DAG file also Python file. So here I will be running my Python script. So here I will be change the location of my this file. So what is my location of this? So I will be giving location. Okay, so what is my DAG ID? So DAG ID I should give it here because here is DAG ID is not there. So Okay, so now I will save this file. This file I will be creating in the DAX folder because I'm creating in the DAX folder. Otherwise, it will not be running. Okay. So here I created other DAGs. I can remove it if I'm not going to use, or otherwise it is there, not a problem. Now I will start my server and scheduler. Web server. Here I started web server. Okay, I will refresh the UI. And deactivate it. So I given the tag name PySpark job tag. So I will activate it. So here we can also see the code. The same code we can check here. Okay, we can check the code here. Okay, next is showing 5 minutes, but okay, so if you want to check the log of any, like this is a retrying, okay, so it means something is retry. Okay, so we have to check the log. So this yellow one we click and check the log. So here we are able to see error. So this error is saying bind exception is there, right? It is saying Spark web UI failed to. The same error came here also. So I should stop my all the streaming things. So PSAUX. Okay. So many services. These are all Spark shells are running. Is a command to so still. Yeah, this time is now different error. So here is okay, yeah, package will not get it, right? So in the Spark submit command, we have to give minus minus package, right? Okay, so we have to provide MySQL package. Why didn't we think about it here? Right, so minus minus package. So how to find the package? MySQL package. So 5.1 any version. So MySQL. Confirm. So it is the same, right? Yeah. So this package I have to use in the file. So I have to add the DAG. So I have to stop and start. Okay, so we'll save this. Again, need to start server. So this error is coming, unknown host exception. So unknown host exception is coming when it is reading the MySQL property. So MySQL property. Oh, this is the mistake. Okay, so we have to correct it. So I once check at MySQL DB which database I want to connect. I gave the wrong password. So here use scoop. So table. Okay, here we can create table. So it means scoop is the database. So, and we give the table name something different so that it will be. So your table name will be new. Okay. So now let's start. So like this, you have to set up the entire the DAG file and which code you want to run. It could be a Hive script, or it could be a scoop script, or it could be a shell script, Python function, anything you can run with. Okay, so oh, okay. So this table should exist, right? Because this is the initial table. So this table is actually taking a data from people table, okay, and that table and write a new table with the suffix, okay. So how we'll check a incremental thing? So we will create a one table people underscore new. Okay, we actually change the table. So we don't change the code, just we create this table. We create this table in MySQL. We create this table in MySQL. And now we insert some data. So initial data, we added, suppose these many rows. And now function is basically the date time, right? Okay. So, oh, I have to change here also. People underscore new. So this, I have to run this all script. 20 record inserted. Now I will be checking the new this data. Okay, so I'm getting 20 record. Here I check my last modified text file. So we still my old date is there because once first it will read the this people underscore new table data, write the data to the another new table, okay, in MySQL, then it will change the date time this time. Okay, so now it should get it. So this is job running. You can see how the job is running. So again, it got failed. People underscore scoop talk people. Okay, where it is getting this scoop dot people? Okay, so somewhere is still the reference is there, people reference. So yeah, like that is the problem. This table is a original table, and after reading data, after modifying the text file, it will check if the timestamp is greater than the text file timestamp. It will update a record with the new table with the people underscore new with timestamp column. Okay, so new table will also people underscore new underscore timestamp column. Okay. Okay, we change in the script, right? We have not changed in the DAG file. We have run change in the script file. The old one. Yeah, we got the success. Okay, so here we can see here the data of the 20 record is printing, and it is writing okay, right? Basically, it has updated the timestamp. So if we check here the last modified, hmm, it is not updated. Okay, table is created. This new table. Okay. This is the first time. Now I will do the incremental things. Then we will see the changes. Okay. So I will be inserting some more record. So I will take 5 more record. I'm going to insert. Here I inserted the people underscore new. Let's see. Okay, 6 rows updated. Now we should check the another one job. So still nothing came incremental, right? So still nothing change came. So next run will be change. So still if I check our time, so the time is still the same. Okay. So those, okay, clear filter. These are the old error. So how to do debugging? Because it is in the file, so time is not getting changed. So this data frame value is not coming because this is the latest record. So when we are doing comparison between the last modified time of the table and here, so latest record. So dear. Okay, here is the 6 record is coming. Right. So here when the 6 record is coming, so this time max is greater than if it's greater than the this time. Twenty 2023, this is the last time. And here is the greatest time is this. Okay, so now this table came. So now 37 after 26, we have a new time. This is the 22, 23. So this is our new time. Okay, let's see. Now it's good. So we got only the updated record. Okay, the problem was previously the table was the data, the first time data is not exactly the same date the file was there. Okay, the modified time is there. So now I change it. Now it's taking a this latest data. Okay, so now now we verify in MySQL separate table. So tables. So this is okay. There is a one problem is coming. It's going behind, right? So when I do next time is coming. So date is changed. It is still 22, 14. Uh, 20. Okay, I think this incremental data not coming. So where is our latest record? Is right. Only this data should go. Okay, total 40 record. Here is 22, 28. um, So problem is coming, the time is not modifying. So this write function is not working. Because time we are getting updated 22, 28. So that time is not changing. So max last modified time. Oh, okay. What is the problem? Anyone can see in this code? What is the problem? Yeah, apply your mind. See, here this file path I'm giving, like my file is this one, slash home this path, right? And I'm doing something like in the current directory. But the file is in the same location, right? Last modified time. But we give the complete path, let's say. Last modified time. I think it doesn't matter or matter, right? If I'm opening this file, but it will be searching in the first and the same where the Spark code is there. So both are the same. So one time it changed, but why? Let's see this one, otherwise I'll check it. Okay, so Yeah, time is changed now, 22:40. Okay, the previous table also came. Um, okay, but data is not actually here. Filter data not came. Otherwise, the time part is working. Fine. Okay, the one single record data came. This. So 43 was the latest record, right? Our okay, so 43 was the latest record we added, one single record. So select underscore equal new. Okay, but it should not create an empty table. So that check should be there because if the data frame is empty, it should not write a table. Okay, try the example. I'll share the files. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.